Do you know how to say in Lithuanian, do you know? We just learned in the last lesson, and I said in the beginning of the lesson, ar žinai? I asked the question, ar žinai koks oras? Ar žinai koks šiandien oras? Do you know what is the weather today? Ar žinai, it's informal question. You ask younger people or your friends, ar žinai? Do you know? Ar žinai? Ar žinai kiek valandų? Do you know what's the time? And if you want to ask in a formal way, you ask ar žinote? Ar žinote? Do you know? Ar žinote kiek valandų? Do you know what's the time? Ar žinote, kur yra artimiausia parduotuvė? Do you know where is the nearest shop? Ar žinote, kaip nuvažiuoti į miesto centrą? Do you know how to reach, by transport, the city center? When you say ar žinai, it means ar tu žinai? Do you know? As I told you in previous lessons, that we don't have to say you, tu, or jūs. We can skip it, because žinai, it means you. Ar žinai, or you can ask ar tu žinai? Ar žinote? Ar jūs žinote? It's the same. Everybody would understand if you say ar jūs žinote or ar žinote. It's the same. Dabar jūs žinote, kaip paklausti ar žinai. So now you know how to ask, do you know? And to answer, žinau, I know, or nežinau, I don't know. You can say žinau or aš žinau, I know. Žinau, it's I know. The same, so you can skip I. Or mes žinome, we know. Of course, if somebody asks you ar žinote, do you know it? If you are just on your own, you don't have to say mes žinome. You just say žinau, žinau, or aš žinau, nežinau, aš nežinau. Gal jis žino? Gal jis žino? Maybe he knows. Gal jis žino? Gal ji žino? Maybe she knows. Gal jie žino? Maybe they know. Gal jos žino? Maybe they know. When we are talking about ladies. Nieks nežino. Nieks nežino. Niekas nežino. Niekas, nobody knows. Niekas nežino. Double negative. Niekas, nobody, or nothing. Nobody knows. Niekas nežino. Visi žino. Everybody knows. Visi žino. Like visi, all. All people. All people know. Visi žino. Kiekvienas žino. Everybody knows. Kas žino? Kas žino? Who knows? Kas žino? Who knows? That's it for today. Iki kito karto. Iki.